Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Chair Yoga with Cheryl Todd. I'm Cheryl, a certified yoga teacher specializing in senior and chair yoga. I'm passionate about making yoga more accessible for people of all ages and abilities to experience its benefits. It's an ideal practice for seniors and those with physical limitations, also great for desk workers and anyone just needing a more supported practice. And all you need to practice is a chair and a little bit of space. In these videos, I'll be guiding you through a variety of chair-supported seated and standing postures that are designed to increase mobility and improve strength and posture, balance, circulation, and flexibility. You'll be building resilience and vitality, and you'll be reducing stress and anxiety, all at your own pace, and all to help keep you feeling happy, healthy, and moving well. I hope you find these videos beneficial and enjoyable. And if you do, please click subscribe. And when you do, you'll be the first to know when new videos are released. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Namaste.